Oh, right behind you.
Get in the house! Get in the house!
There's one.
Watch the brown one, Owen.
Come on, don't.
Taser, right? You got a taser?
Cartridge for my taser. Huh? Do you? Hey Owen, are they all in the house right now? Cover me. Alright, we got 2 of them in the house. I don't know where the tan one is. Is he? Owen, let's try shutting this door. We got them all in the house right now. Taser works on dogs. Wahid, come this way. Let's get 3 of us so we got 3 guns. 3 tasers on them, alright? Owen, you want to try coming up that way and shut the door? We'll cover you with the taser. Sarge, you got lethal? Owen, come up on that side. Are you sure they're all in there right now?
Slam it shut?
Gotta try shutting it.
Just slam it shut, you'll bend it. Alright,
There's one outside? No, I don't know.
I got the door. My holster broke.
Hey, he didn't catch you, right?
My pant leg. I think all 3 of them went in. I can't see. All 3 are in the house.
One of them got taser prongs sticking out of him.
It's shot back. Get in the house.